Hello and welcome to LearningScapes Academy. We are going to solve paper P1. Its code is 970913. It's a May-June session. We will move on to question number 1. In this question, we have a graph in which the diagram shows a graph of y is equal to fx, which consists of two straight lines, AB and BC. The lines A dash B dash and B dash C dash forms a graph of y is equal to gx, which is the result of applying a sequence of two transformations in either order to y is equal to fx. So we have to find out the two transformations they have made on y is equal to fx to get gx. So look at the diagrams. The graph of A, B, C has moved two directions to the right and two directions to the bottom. So, and the line has also stretched. Look at BC, we have 2 cross 2 movement in BC, but in B dash C dash we have 1 cross 4. So there are 4 columns while we have 2 columns in BC. So this means it's a stretch of 2. So the graph has moved horizontally. So this means the horizontal movement of 2 has occurred, right? So we will say that stretch factor is 2 parallel to x-axis. Well, there is no vertical movement, so this means the downward positioning of B dash is due to translation of 0 minus 2. This means it's in a y direction. So the horizontal movement is due to the stretch factor and vertical movement is due to the translation. So this will be our answer. For question number 2, we have the function is defined for x equal to x are the elements of real number by fx equal to x square minus 6x plus c, where c is constant. It is given that fx is greater than 2. So if fx is greater than 2, so this equation will become x square plus 6, sorry, minus 6x plus c is greater than 2. We will rearrange it to get this inequality. We will apply a discriminant method, b square minus 4ac. This will be greater than 0 because we have roots within a given equation. So this will become minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into c minus 2. So we have to find the values of c for which fx is greater than 2. So in that case, we will apply b square minus 4ac less than 0 because it should not have any roots for the value of c, which is less than the given condition. So we will apply it b square minus 4ac less than 0. This will become 36 minus 4c plus 8 less than 0. 44 is less than 4c and 11 will be less than c. So we will say that c should be greater than 11 if fx is greater than 2. Now move on to question number 3. We have binomial expansion. We have to expand it completely. So we will use 5c0 x power 5 2 over x power 0 plus 5c1 x power 4 2 by x power 1 plus 5c2 2 over x square x2 2 over x cube 4 x power 4 power 0 and 2 over x power 5. This will be simplified to 1x5 1 plus 5x4 2 by x plus 10 into x cube plus into 4 over x square plus x square into 8 over x cube x into 16 over x4 32 over x5. This will become x5 plus 10x cube 40x plus 80 over x plus 80 over x cube plus 32 over x power 5. This will be our answer. For the next part, we have to find, we have to expand a plus b x square into x plus 2 over x power 5. The coefficient of x is 0 and the coefficient of 1 over x is 80. So first we have to find the coefficient of x and 1 over x. So for this, we have to multiply a plus b x square into 40x plus 80x. We can take these values from the previous expansion. For the second part, this will be for the expansion of 1 over x, we will get 80 over x cube. So this will become 0 equal to 40 ax plus 80 bx, or we can say that 40a plus 80b equal to 0, or a plus 2b equal to 0. This is our equation number 1. For the second part, 80a over x, 80b over x, 80 over x. This will be simplified to a plus b equal to 1. Equation number 2. We will solve these two equations to get b equals to -1. So a minus 1 will be equal to 1 and a will be equal to 2. So these are the two values of a and b. For question number 4, we will simplify it by substituting tan square x with sin square x over cos square x. So this will become 3 sin square x minus 3 sin square x cos square x, for cos square x equal to 0. Now we will substitute 1 minus cos square x equals to sin square x. We will simplify it to get 3 minus 3 cos square x minus 3 plus 3 cos square x. Sorry, this will be minus 3 cos square x plus 3 cos 4x minus 4 cos square x equals to 0. We can further simplify it. This will become 3 minus 10 cos square x plus 3 cos 4x equal to 0. We will have a equals to 3, b equals to minus 10, and c equals to 3. That is our answer. For part B, we have to solve this equation. So in the previous part, we know that this is equal to cos 4x minus 10 cos square x plus 3 equals to 0. We will make factors because it's a quadratic equation. So this will be minus 9 cos square x minus cos square x plus 3 equals to 0. So 3 cos square x is equal to cos square x minus 3 minus 1 into cos square x, 0. So cos square x will be equal to 1 by 3 and cos square x equal to 3 under root 3 cos x equal to under root 3. So the two answers, that will be plus minus. So the two answers will be x equals 54.7 and x equals 125.3. These are the two answers. These values came from 1 over under root 3 because this is not possible, because the value of under root 3 is greater than 1, which is not possible. So now we will move on to question number 5. In this part, we have equation of a circle x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square equal to 40, and a line with equation y equal to x minus 9 intersect the circle at A and B. So we have to find, in the first part, we have to find the coordinates of the points of intersection. So we will substitute the value of y equal to x minus 9 in this equation. We will get x minus 9 minus 1, sorry, in y. We have to substitute the value in y. So this will become x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 9 plus 4 whole square equal to 40. We will expand it to get x square minus 2x plus 1. And in next step, we will expand this as well. So this will be minus 10x plus 25 equals to 40. We will simplify to get 2x square minus 12x plus 26 minus 40 equals to 0. 2x square minus 12x minus 14 equal to 0, and x square minus 6x minus 7 equals to 0. We will make factors of it. So the two values will be x equals to 7 and x equals to minus 1. You can substitute it in equation of the line. So we will get y equals to 7 minus 9, y equals to minus 2. And y equals to minus 1 minus 9, y equals to minus 10. So the two coordinates are for A, this will be 7 and minus 2. And for B, it's minus 1 and minus 10. These are the two answers. The equation of the line with diameter AB. So if A and B are diameters, then the distance of AB will be the length of diameter. So this will become 7 plus 1 whole square minus 2 plus 10 whole square. This will be equals to 8 under root 2. So if the diameter is 8 under root 2, so radius will be 4 under root 2. We can divide 8 under root 2 by 2. And the value of midpoint will be 7 minus 1 over 2. 7 minus 1 over 2 and minus 2 minus 10 over 2. So this will be 3 and minus 6. So equation of circle will be x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square equal to 4 under root 2 whole square. So this will be equal to 32. That is our answer. For question number 6, we have a diagram in which we have a sector OAB with center O and radius R, angle AOB with theta radians. It is given that the length of the arc AB is 9.6 centimeter and that the area of sector is 76.8. So we have S equals to R theta for arc length and A equal to 1 by 2 R square theta for area. We can substitute the values here. 9.6 equals to R theta and theta will be equal to 9.6 over R. In second part, we have 76.8. We will substitute the value of theta here. This will be R square into 9.6 over R. We will cancel these two to get 76.8 into 2 over 9.6. This is the value of R. So R will be equal to 16. If R is 16, then theta will be 9.6 over 16. And that would be 0.6 radians. So these are the two answers. Sorry, these are values of R and theta. And we have to find the area of the shaded region. So you can find the area of shaded region by separating the area of triangle. By separating the area of triangle here from the area of sector. So required area will be equal to area of sector, that would be 1 by 2 R square theta, minus area of triangle, that would be AB sine theta. So we have 1 over 2, 16 square into 0.6 minus 1 by 2 into 16 into sine 0.6 radians. We will get 4.53. And that is our answer. Now for part B, we have to find the perimeter. For the perimeter, we have the length of AB. We have to find a side AB. We have an arc AB, but we have to find side AB. We will apply cosine rule to find it. So this will become 16 square plus 16 square minus 2 into 16 cos 0.6. So length of AB will be equal to 9.46 and its perimeter will be 9.46 plus arc 9.6. That would be equal to 19.1. That is our answer. For question number 7, we have to find the range of f. So for any fraction in which we have a positive or negative sign, the range is equal to the constant value of y, that is 2. So f of x is less than 2 because it is the fraction is subtracting from 2, so it would be less than 2. And if 2 is subtracting from the fraction, that would be then fx should be greater than 2. So in this case, fx will be less than 2. For second part, we have to find the inverse and then the domain of f inverse. So range of the main function is equal to domain of the inverse function. So it's clear that domain should be equal to fx is less than 2. So domain of an inverse function will be x is less than 2. That is the domain of f of inverse. f inverse. Okay. Now we have to find the inverse. So we'll follow the steps. Y equal to fx. Let y equal to fx. X will be equal to f inverse of y. For the second part, y will be equal to 2 minus 5 over x plus 2. Now we will have to make x the subject. So this will be y minus 2 equals to minus 5 over x plus 2. 2 over 5 will be equal to minus 1 over y minus 2. So x plus 2 will be equal to minus 5 over y minus 2, and x will be equal to minus 2. So that will be the value of inverse function. Now we can simplify it further. We will substitute the value of f inverse here. We can further simplify it to get 2y minus 4 over y plus 2. So we will place a variable x with variable y. So this will become minus 2y minus 9 over x plus 2. That would be our answer. There is a mistake in the sign here. We have a negative sign here. So this will change our answer as well. We have minus 5 over y minus 2. So this will make it positive sign here, and minus 2x minus 1. That would be our answer. We have y minus 2 here and y minus 2 here. You can eliminate a negative sign if you want. So this will become 2x plus 1, and denominator is x minus 2. So it will become 2 minus x. That's another answer. Okay, now we will move on to part C. We have g of x as x plus 3. We have to find f of gx. So for this, we have to replace the value of x in f with the value of gx. So basically, we have to find f of x plus 3. So replace the value of x in fx with x plus 3. So you will get 2 minus 5 over x plus 3 plus 2. So this will be 2 minus 5 over x plus 5. Simplify to get 2x plus 10 minus 5 over x plus 5. So our answer will be 2x plus 5 over x plus 5. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c equals to 1, and d equals to 5. That is our answer. Now, for question number 8, we have a progression has first term a and second term a square over 2. For the case where the progression is geometric and the sum to infinity is 264, find the value of a. In geometric progression, there is a common ratio between consecutive terms. So r would be equal to second term, that is a square over a plus 2 divided by a. So we can simplify to get a divided by a plus 2. S infinity is equal to a1 over 1 minus r. S infinity has value 264. This will be equal to a1, which is a1 minus a plus 2. So this will become 264 equals to a over a plus 2, a square plus 2a divided by 2. So minus 5 to 8 equals to 0. So we will factorize it to get 0. So this will be a plus 24. So two values of a are minus 24 and 22. We have, as the value of a is positive, so answer will be a equals to 22. Okay, for part B, we have a equals to 6 and sum of Sn is less than minus 480. So the second term will be a2 will be equal to 6 square divided by 6 plus 2. This will be equals to 4.5. So it's arithmetic progression. So common difference will be sorry, it's 4.5. 6 minus, wait, 4.5 minus 6, that would be minus 1.5. So we will apply the formula for the sum. into D minus 480 is greater than n by 2, 12 minus 3 by 2 n plus 3 by 2. So it would be minus 960 greater than n into 27 minus 3n over 2. We will simplify to get n square minus 9n minus 640 greater than 0. Apply quadratic formula. This will become 81 plus 2560 divided by 2, and n is greater than 30.19. So this means n is equal to 31. This is our answer. Now for question number 9. A curve which passes through 0, 3 has equation y equal to fx. It is given that f dash x is equal to 1 minus 2 over x minus 1 whole cube. We have to find the equation of curve. So we have to take integration. This will become f of x 2 into x minus 1 power minus 2 over minus 2 plus c. Substitute the values here. This will become 3, 0. Cancel these two. Place an addition sign here. Wait. This will become 1 over 0 minus 1 whole square plus c. So c will be equal to 2. Substitute the value in fx. The equation will be 1 over x minus 1 whole square plus 2. That would be our answer. For part B, pertaining to the curve 0, 3 intersects the curve again at one other point P. We have to find the value of P. For that, we have the value of f dash of x, 1 minus 2 over x minus 1 whole cube. To find the equation of tangent, substitute x equal to 0 to find the gradient first. So this will be 0 minus 1 whole cube, 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So y is equal to 3x plus c. Substitute 0, 3 here. So we will get c equals to 3, and equation of line will be 3x plus 3. Now compare the equation of line with the equation of curve. This will be 2x plus 1 equal to 1 over x minus 1 whole square. Now multiply these two. Substitute x equals to 3 by 2. Okay, we have taken the value of x equals to 3 by 2 from by hit and trial method to find. It is also called polynomial method. You can get the value from part C as well. So just substitute and check whether it is equal to 0 or not. So if it is equal to 0, which in this case it is, this will become 4 into 1 over 4 minus 1. So this will become 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So this is equal to 0. This means x is equal to 3 by 2. Satisfies the equation. This question is linked with the part B as well. So you can look at the whole question before solving it. So in part B, we have to verify that x is equal to 3 by 2 satisfies the equation, and hence find the y coordinates of P. So again, you have to substitute 3 by 2 here. Either you place the value here or in the previous part, you will get the marks. So similarly, it will be 0 equals to 0. This is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 by 2 satisfied it. And we have to find the value of y now when x is 3 by 2. So answer will be 15 by 2. So the two coordinates are 3 by 2 and 15 by 2, where tangent intersects the curve again. So for question number 10 part A, we have y equals to 9x minus 2x plus 1 power 3 by 2, and A and B has coordinate 1, 1 by 2, 5, 1 by 2, 7, 1 by 2, and 3, 1 by 2. So we have to find the maximum point. So we have to take the gradient first. dy by dx will be equal to 9 minus 3 by 2. 2x plus 1 power 1 by 2 into 2. This is equal to 0. 1 by 2. This will be minus 9 equal to minus 3. 1 by 2. Squaring both sides. X equals to 4. Now we have to find the second derivative. This will be 0, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 into 2, 1 over 1 by 2. So this will be minus 3 by 3, which is equal to minus 1 less than 0. So this means x equal to 4 has a maximum point. So as derivative is negative, so it's a maximum point. So y will be equal to 9 into 4 minus 2 into 4 plus 1 power 3 by 2. 36 minus 27, y equal to 9. So the coordinates are 4 and 9. This is our answer. For part B, we have to verify that the line AB is normal to the curve at A. So dy by dx is equal to 9 minus 3 over 9 minus 3 into 2x plus 1 power 1 by 2. Substitute x equal to 3 by 2 power 1 by 2. 3 into 2. M1 is equal to 3. M2 will be equal to minus 1 by 3 and equation will be minus 1 by 3 x plus c. So this is going to find the line that is normal to the curve. Okay, wait. Of the normal. So before that, we have to find the gradient of the normal. For that, we will take the coordinates of A and B. So this will be 7.5 minus 1.5. This is equal to minus 2 by 6 to minus 1 by 3. So if these two are normal, so product of the gradient should be equal to minus 1, which it is. So this means AB is normal to the curve at A. So this is our answer. Now we have to find the area of the shaded region. So area will be equal to 7.5 to 1.5, 9x minus 2x plus 1 power 3 by 2. This will become 9x square over 2, 5 by 2 over 5 by 2 into 1 by 2. 0.5 to 1.5. Substitute the values inside the bracket. Minus 2 into 1.5 plus 1 power 5 by 2 over 5 by 2, 1 by 2. So simplify it to get 1933 over 40 minus 149 over 40. So this will be equal to 44.6. This is equation number 1. So now we have to find equation of the normal. This will be equal to y equals to minus 1 by 3x plus c. Substitute y equal to 3.5 and x equal to 7.5 to get the value of c, which is equal to 6. So equation is minus 1 by 3x plus 6. We have to apply integration on it as well. The coordinates are 7.5 to 1.5. 7.5 to 1.5. Substitute these two values in the equation. Place a negative sign here. So we will get 27. So required, this is part 2. Area will be equal to the previous area and area under the curve. Area under the curve, this whole area, and area under the line, which is this area. This is line and curve both. We have to find this part, so we will deduct these two. Area under the curve minus area under the line. So required area will be 44.6 minus 27. So answer will be 17.6. That is our answer. So that's it.